Are you seeing a suspicious charge on your credit card and you want to dispute it? In this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can do that. So the first thing you want to do is go to managemycard.jncb.com. Then you're going to sign in with your NCB username and password. Now from the dashboard, you'll see a bunch of options. I must add that it's best that you use a laptop because I tried this on my mobile phone and the view wasn't really great. The options to click wasn't really working accurately. Could be a browser, but it works best from the laptop, right? So you're going to go ahead and select create a new dispute. Select I wish to continue, then select continue. Select the card that you want to dispute the transaction on. Here you're going to select an option that best applies. I see a transaction on my card that I did not make. I see a transaction I made, but there's an error and I wish to dispute. Now, depending on the option you selected, there will be subcategories. So here you're going to select an option which best applies. So for example, you can select, I should have been refunded for this good or service. Before you continue, please check the terms and conditions. Alright, I wish to continue and then select continue. You're then going to scroll through your card and then select the transaction that you want to dispute. Then select proceed to the next step. Review your contact information, then scroll down. Do you wish to add any additional information? Declare that the information you provided is true and correct and then select submit. Go ahead and select continue once you're done. Now to track your dispute, go ahead and select the track your dispute menu link. And then you can go ahead and select details to view the status of your dispute. And here you'll see the status of your dispute. So you can see it's active, right? Once you select active, you'll see more details. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.